a few days ago, ang sabi ni Senator Lacson, he was invited to be a part of the military junta daw. Are you aware of such junta, and how are you seeing this attempt to establish a junta?
Our Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff has already clarified this multiple times, that there is no such thing as a military junta within the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The AFP will never subscribe to any reset plot, and our constitution has no cheat codes. So we will always go to the side of the constitution, the constitutional processes that are in place.
Sir, nakausap na ba natin si Senator Lacson to shed light dun sa sinasabi niyang junta na yun?
Sir, sa side ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, we know that there is no such thing internally. So, ang nabanggit naman po ay within, ang mga nakausap niya is within the ranks of retired personnel. So, this is through their democratic processes, no? Ang tinitingnan natin dyan, this is for other agencies to look into. Ang sa amin, sir, is the national security implications of it. But makikipagtulungan pa rin po ang AFP kung ano po ang role na dapat namin gampanan din.
Victor, siguro this is a statement coming from Senator. Maybe it would be good that the good Senator would be responding clearly on his particular statement. Thank you very much. Yes, will that be for Colonel Padilla?
Can you consider this as credible and serious threat to national security?
Sir, we can only speak for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. This is something that, sabi ko nga, ang kausap po niya ay retired. Sa Armed Forces of the Philippines po, wala pong puwang sa Republika ang extra-constitutional shortcuts whatsoever. Hindi po ito parang isang video game, no, na pwede po nating i-restart. So, I would go back to that premise na wala pong restart plot within the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Ma'am, dun sa reset, ayaw kasi nung certain group and individuals, no? Yung line of succession, pwede ba pakipaliwanag lang bang gaano kadelikado kapag yung line of succession, example yung president na wala, pati yung vice president alisin, tapos may ibang mamumuno, gaano kadelikado po yun sa isang bansa?
Well, we have been saying this over and over, no, na ang aming leadership within the Armed Forces of the Philippines has gone through a series of coup d'etats before. They've seen how the negative effects of such will have implications sa pag ang magiging reset dito is yung bansa natin. So we lose tourism, we lose economic prosperity, may walang mga nag-i-invest sa ating bansa. Hindi po gusto ng sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas na mangyari ito. Thus, we will not be in any way involved sa ganyang mga klaseng usapin.
May contingency plan ba yung AFP just in case these groups decided to escalate their actions?
Sa lahat ng po yan, as I said, we have risk analysis that the Armed Forces of the Philippines have put into play, and we have contingency plans for different measures for different scenarios.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. This is the biggest we have from CNA.
Commission has recommended that Taiwan fund improvements of EDCA sites in the Philippines. So my question is, has the Philippine military been officially informed about the plan, and would the Philippines consider accepting funding from Taiwan?
Sir, I think this is a question that is better directed to the Department of National Defense, that this is a higher level talks than the AFP, sir.
Thank you very much. Any other question? Yes, from the Manila Times.
Ng corruption, lalo na recently yung revelation ni former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico na allegedly sinasabi niya na nagbigay siya ng multi-billion kickbacks to the President himself. So, paano po tinatanggap ng AFP itong mga ganitong dagok, itong mga ganitong bato ng intriga sa ating Commander-in-Chief?
Before the AP spokesperson would answer, I would just further clarify and would like a clarification when we say the chain of command. The chain of command does not directly point towards the commander-in-chief always. When we say the chain of command, it is a structure of the commands down the line even to the lowest unit. This structure actually shows how unified yung unity of command that is being addressed in any particular mission. So, just for the sake of further clarification, When we use a chain of command, loyalty to the chain of command, it's not just loyalty to the who sits on top, but basically it's the structure of these commands that are being followed. Para hindi lang po ma-distort natin kung ano pag sinasabi natin, chain of command. So, with that, thank you. AP spokesperson, please respond.
Uulitin po namin ang ating Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas has only one color. And yan po ay ang kulay ng ating bandila. So kung titingnan niyo po, paulit-ulit po namin talaga itong babanggitin at hindi po kami magsasawa na ang loyalties po namin is to the Constitution, to the constitutional processes, and to the flag. Kami po ay, ang loyalty namin is anchored to this. We are steady, we are non-partisan. No? Hindi po kami natitinag dito. I-rewind lang po natin sa lahat ng ingay ng ito. Ang punot dulo po nito ng lahat ng usapin is the pronouncement of the President during his SONA na imbestigahan ito. So ito nga pong nangyayaring lahat ng ito ay nag-ugat dito sa kanyang pronouncement na imbestigahan to. He was the one who started this conversation to begin with.
Okay? Yes, follow up.
Ugnayan sa Philippine National Police regarding dun sa pagsasampa ng kaso or reklamo laban dun sa mga nagpapakalat ng disinformation, like dun sa issue kay Gutesa, tapos ito naman sa patuloy na insinuations ni Congressman Barsaga. Meron na po bang formal na complaint, or is the AFP will formally file the complaint, o meron po bang ibang magpa-file na complaint laban dito sa mga nagpapakalat ng disinformation na ito?
Yes, Mark, thank you. No? Nakita natin na itong misinformation, disinformation, malinformation, isa itong pinakamalaking hamon. Hindi lang sa ating bansa, but worldwide, no, isa itong malaking hamon. And greatly affected ang ating bansa dito. And with this, no, we have established new units to really address this. So, ito kasing intel gathering, intel sharing, no, it's a community of those. So, we are part of that community. AFP ay isang sangay nito. And to each his own, kung sino pong ahensya ang nararapat na mag-conduct ng investigation and to go forth with certain actions, sila po ang gagawa niyan. Ang role ng AFP, kung ano po ang maitutulong namin and ano po ang aming maiaambag, no, doon po kami magbibigay din ng sarili naming share to the actions that is going to be done.
Ma'am, tama po yung pagkakaintindi ko. So, it will be a motu proprio for the specific agencies na mag-iimbestiga dito. Kasi, like the PNP, ang process kasi nila, kung walang magre-reklamo sa kanila, walang magiging action. So, kung in this case, ma'am, dahil since national security naman yung involved dito, would it be a motu proprio action dun sa kinaukulang ahensya ng pamahalaan?
Well, investigation and law enforcement is other agencies' concern po. Our focus is national security. Anything that would entail national security concerns, the AFP will be on the front lines for that.
Thank you, ma'am.